It's my honor, my privilege to be here, to celebrate with you, to let you know that out of sight is not out of mind. When I'm in Washington, D.C., it is you I'm thinking of. I'm very familiar with the issue and the cause of Kashmir, and the fact that the recognition that needs to be given to this nation has not manifested yet. We have to speak truth to power and continue to be a voice for those who would suffer. And right now, we know that the people of Kashmir are looking to us here in the United States, where we can make the difference. So to each and every one, again, it's my honor and my privilege to come to celebrate with you. I want to thank Dr. Sabah. She has been so outstanding in educating and informing and engaging and bringing us together. Again, this is my beloved community, and to see so many of you have come this evening to share in fellowship with one another is another blessing. Now I can go back to Washington, D.C. and brag about the beauty, the majesty that is my district that I represent. I'm able to speak forthrightly about immigration and what it means when families are separated and people want to travel home to visit their families and their loved ones, but we don't have the pathway for them to be able to go and to return to do the work that they're doing to help build our great nation. And so I'm going back to Washington, D.C. This is that moment where we stand up and we fight for comprehensive immigration reform. We see that many immigrants are coming to the United States from around the world. People are suffering, and we are a refuge, and we will always be that refuge. So let us all stand together and make a joyful noise. Assalamu alaikum. It's my honor to